I'm joined by Patrick Dean, the National Sales Manager at Doorstop. Hello, Patrick.
Morning, Michelle. How are you?
I'm doing well. What about you? How's the show?
Yeah, really
been?
good. We've had a very good show. It's been an interesting few days. Obviously very busy yesterday, and we'll see what today brings. It's good.
Now, Doorstop, there's a clue in the name. It's mainly doors.
Yes, we supply composite doors to the marketplace with a view that we want to be the trade's favourite supplier. I think we've focused a lot in many years over giving a route to marketplace that not necessarily everybody else gives.
Now, there's a lot of innovative ideas on this stand. There's a couple of quite high-tech things. I was opening a virtual door earlier, but here you've got something called Build Your Own Brochure.
Yeah, our viewpoint behind this is regardless of the brochure that we built, we will possibly never get it right for the whole marketplace. We were also very conscious that our brochures were emblazoned with Doorstop, and ultimately we want our customers to be able to sell their business to their customers. So the intention was to provide Brochure Builder, which is taking some generic templates and then moulding them to our customers' requirements. So both the content and the way that the brochure looks will all be about them and not necessarily about Doorstop, albeit it's the Doorstop range of doors.
Okay, now this is all online, isn't it?
Yeah, I think for this to work effectively and smoothly and price effectively, we've used the web. And this has given us a solution where all the artwork and everything can be in place. Our customers literally just click and pull things into the positions that they want and send it off to the printer at the end of the process.
So show us how it works.
Okay, so when we jump in here, we're going to select a cover that's one of the 3 generic covers, and from that point on, we start to make this about their business rather than our business. So stage 1 will be upload your logo. So you bring in your business logo into this, add in your business name into it, and add in the address.
So it won't say Doorstop?
No, it's a no stage going to say Doorstop. It's going to be selling your business. And so here the intention is that you can preview every step of the way where you've got to and what's happened. You've changed the logo, you've done the bits and pieces. Next stage will then move on to the type of brochure that you want. And I think this is where we've been mindful that not everybody wants a great sprawling 60-page brochure. No. They may want a 2-page, this is the range, which one do you want? Or they may want something with in between the two.
And a lot of businesses are going to be different sizes, aren't they, as well? Some will be a lot bigger
very
than
much
others.
so. So we'll supply the installer that's going straight to the marketplace, we'll supply the trade fabricator, we'll supply the counter depot. It's trying to give a solution to all 3 of those that works for everybody.
Well, I think if not already, the future of marketing is going to be predominantly online.
Yeah, it works. It's accessible. Whatever part of the day that you're in, online is the best option. So at this stage here we can pull in lifestyle shots, and this is where you start to make the brochure look and feel about your business, not necessarily the Doorstop business. Moving on from there, we then look to select the page content, and this is where it becomes very editable. So you will be able to present the doors that you want to sell. So say, for example, you're finding the new colours in the marketplace are the popular option, change the door to the new colours.
It's very quick as well, very sharp.
Yeah. It's taken our web guys some time to create this, but it's working very, very well.
Certainly worth it, I think.
So from here onwards, the other nice thing we've got is the Doorstop door names have become very generic, very much Doorstop. So at this stage, customers can amend the door name to be about their business, whatever you want to call it, a Windsor 2 or whatever. But somebody yesterday highlighted the fact that you could also add a price point to this. Yes. So each of the pages could be representing your selling prices. So again, it's about our customers' presentation rather than ours.
And it's very user-friendly. Nobody needs to be scared about using this.
No, I think we've been very good at making the web about pictures and images. It's not buried in text. It literally is jump in, have a play with it and see where it gets to. And if at the end of it you're not happy about it, start again, do it again. It's about you. It's creating a brochure that sells your business.
And you can save this at any point and come back to it.
Yeah, at any point you can save it and start again. At the end of it, you will be able to review everything, see what it looks like, and if you feel at any point that didn't really sit well there, start again. It's giving a marketing function to customers that they probably never ever had before. I think in days gone by, we all gave the option of trying to overprint our brochure, which possibly was cost prohibitive, and ultimately it still was the Doorstop book. Whereas this will be individual to each and every customer that jumps on and plays with it.
And the images are very clear as well.
Yeah, we've shot HD imagery of every single component that makes up the door, and from that point it simply then is just layering up the image. So any part of the process that you change, even down to the detail of the hardware, will change in front of you. So at this point here you would then sort out the order of your brochure. So here you can pull and drag the pages to wherever you want them to be. You can ally the lifestyle shots to the range of doors that you're displaying. And I think the thing I like about this is over a number of years we've heard homers refer to a brochure as, I've already seen that, the window company over there quoted me on that door, you quote me. And then suddenly we're talking about a price objection. And we don't want to introduce a price objection just because we're successful. We want the brochure to be about your business and not necessarily A and B windows offered me that one in exactly the same manner. Okay.
And as far as content goes, as the years go on and new products become available, it's very simple to add them to the menu.
Yeah, well, this was the next thing. As a significant door supply, we would print palletfuls of brochures, and as you rightly say, something changes, and suddenly the pallet full of brochures is wasted. It's old, corrupt data. So at this point, customers can print a minimum quantity of 50. So at any point, if they need to update the brochure or amend it, they can do. They go online and start again.
So very cost effective as well.
Yeah, and one thing that I would say about the cost is at Doorstop we support all of our customers with marketing support. The way that we do this is every time you order a door, we give you a voucher towards your next lot of marketing, and that will come straight off the cost that you see here. So at that point you would choose in the binding of your brochure, the touch and feel of it, and that will depend on the type of business that you are. Final section is review the brochure, and you get to see every single page as you've described it, and if it's wrong, go back, start again.
Very quick, very clean, very easy.
Yeah, Doorstop.
You are most definitely onto something here, Patrick. Thank you so much for sharing it with us.
Thank you, Michelle. Cheers.